Our non-OEM compatible replacement CE255X and CE255A cartridges for Hewlett-Packard's Laserjet Enterprise printers deliver outstanding performance from an aftermarket cartridge. These cartridges are used in the Laserjet P3011, Enterprise P3015, including a micro version, and the Enterprise 500 M525 MFP. Since these printers share similar features with certain Canon models, these cartridges can be used in the LBP6700, 6750, 6780, MF515, and related printer models. These replacement-compatible cartridges provide consistent OEM comparable print performance from start to finish across a 12,500-page lifespan for the 255X and a 6,000-page lifespan for the 255A. Both cartridges feature patented safe drive technology, a retractable mechanism on the OPC gear that prevents catastrophic end-user failure and printer damage. For more in-depth product information, visit our website or contact your sales representative.